The Commission on Audit, or COA, called out DepEd again for failing to finish one of its projects on time. Based on COA's audit report, DepEd only finished 22 out of 98 school facilities under the Last Mile Schools program. It aims to transform makeshift classrooms in isolated communities into standard ones. 98 schools under this project should have been renovated on or before May 31, 2022. However, some of them were just finished last year. DepEd said numerous factors influenced the delay of the project, like COVID-19 restrictions. But COA did not accept this reason and stated that only a fraction of the schools were gravely affected by COVID-19 protocols.
Oo. So yan yung tinatawag nila na Last Mile Schools Program. Ito nga, nabanggit mo naman din dun sa report natin na itong program na to, it started in 2019 to make sure nga na, alam mo yun, inclusive yung pagkakaroon ng mga classroom ng mga kababayan natin sa mga far-flung areas. Kasi, di ba, we've seen also during yung mga documentary days ko, yung mga sobrang lalayong mga lugar na hindi na sila makarating sa kani-kanilang mga eskwelahan. Tumatawid pa sila ng ilog, or kung meron man silang classroom, makeshift lang talaga. So ito yung program na yun, this program comes in, di ba? To make sure na itong mga areas na to magkaroon ng classroom para naman hindi ma-left out yung mga natin, yung mga indigenous people, yung mga nakatira sa far-flung areas. Ang problema kasi, ito nga, medyo na-delay. Hindi medyo, na-delay talaga yung construction nitong mga schools na to.
2 year delay.
I was reading the report about this. Sinasabi nila, yung ibang mga contractor for each area na kinuha nila, hindi nila, until now, hindi nila makontak. So, yun no. Kaya ngayon, sinasabi ng COA, dapat gumawa sila ng timeline, itong DepEd, to make sure na ito pa rin itong proyekto nito. Kasi nabigay na yung budget sa kanila noong 2020 pa.
Hey.